Hello, my lovely Aquarius. How are you doing all? And I hope you're doing wonderful in your life. This is your general love extended readings, okay? And I have already done your main reading. You can have a look on that video. And this is your general reading, general love reading, okay? Extended general love reading, okay? I'm going to clarify these energies in a deeper level, okay, and let's see what are these cards means. I hope it resonates with you. If it doesn't resonate with you, you can skip it out, Aquarius, and take whatever is resonating according to your situation, okay, and leave the rest. And please like, share and subscribe to the channel, okay? Please like, share and subscribe to the channel. And do let me know in the comment section if you want to tell me anything, if you want to ask me anything. And thank you so much for liking, sharing and loving my channel. I really appreciate all the messages, all the comments which you do for myself, and I will really try my level best to help you out in all manner. Okay, so one more time I'm going to tell you what are these energies, because some of you have not seen that video, so I am going to tell you these cards in one more time. What are the energies for you, Aquarius? Some of you are unable to sleep properly in the night after spending lots of nights, sleepless nights, Aquarius. You are using your intuitions. High Priestess is there. You are using your intuitions. You are taking the energy of High Priestess and you are getting the Sun here, okay? You want something new beginnings in your life, in your love. You are keeping your strength with you. You want you want something in your life, in your love life, in which there will be an equal amount of give and take. Six of Pentacles, equal amount of give and take, okay, from both sides. You want something like that. But some of you Aquarius are more focusing on Five of Cups energy, and that's why you are self guarding yourself. You are protecting your energy or protecting yourself. You do not want to get hurt, and that's why you are protecting yourself, okay? And you are manifesting something, Aquarius. This is you. Magician belongs to Aquarius. You are manifesting something, and what are you manifesting? You are manifesting to move in a forward direction. You do not want to stuck in the same energy, okay? And that's very nice, Aquarius, that you understand that you do not have to stuck in this Five of Cups energy. You do not have to stuck in your past. You want to move in a forward direction, and that's very good, Aquarius. And you are, because you manifested, Aquarius, because you manifested to move in a forward direction, so you are getting your offer, Aquarius. You are moving in a forward direction for sure, because here it is, the Emperor, the Ace of Pentacles and the Ten of Cups. Someone in your life is giving you a stable, solid offer, a commitment in which you can touch, you can feel, and they are giving you offer in your love life. Ten of Cups, happily ever after. Some of you are getting your marriage proposals, or if you're not getting your marriage proposal, then you are getting a commitment in your relationship which you were hoping for, okay, which you were looking for. So you are getting your offer, and basically Ten of Cups is happily ever after, okay? So you are happy family, happily ever after. You are getting your Ace of Pentacles and Ten of Cups. You are getting your offer from someone in your life, and the person you are dealing with is your divine counterpart, because here it is, the Emperor and the Empress both are here in your reading. But still, after getting your offer, some of you are still thinking of something. We are still waiting your ships to come, okay, Aquarius? You're still thinking that something is hidden, something is still has to come in the picture, because you are carrying lots of burden on yourself, Aquarius. Ten of Wands is carrying lots of burdens. So some of you Aquarius are carrying lots of burdens because you were hurt in the past. There were events, there were incidents in the past which has created lots of burden on yourself, on your soul. So you are carrying lots of burdens, and you think that there is some deception, manipulation going on. How can be this person give me this offer. Basically you are not trusting them, basically, okay, because you are carrying lots of burdens and you think that there is some deceptive manipulation, cheating, lying going on at your back, because you are carrying lots of burden. That's your problem, Aquarius. That's not the problem of your person, okay, the other person. This is your energy. You do not have to think like that. You are thinking like, how it's so good to be true, okay, you are thinking like that, and that's why you are unable to make a decision. Can you see indecision is there? Two of swords energy. You are unable to see that something beautiful is coming your way, and you have manifested that thing, Aquarius. You have manifested it. You want to move in a forward direction, and now when you are getting it, now you are thinking that still something has to come in the picture. There is there is something deceptive, manipulation, lying, cheating going on at your back, and you still, it has to come in the picture. But it's not like that. If you think that there is something, you will receive that, Aquarius, okay. So don't think negative, don't think that there is something going on, okay. And in this reading, I'm going to clarify. I will see that whether it is something which you have to worry about or not. I'm going to see. And here it is the Empress, the Hierophant, and the Ace of Cups. Again, the marriage card. Hierophant belongs to marriage, and Ace of Cups, you are getting your emotional fulfillment, Aquarius, okay. You are getting your emotional fulfillment. You are, some of you are getting married. Hierophant, you're getting your marriage proposal, or if you're not getting your marriage proposal, so you're getting your commitment, basically a commitment in which you will get a lot of emotion fulfillment, okay. You will get your emotional fulfillment, and you are getting it because there is an Ace of Cups. So there is a positive energy around you, Aquarius. There are positive things coming your way, but don't be in that zone that something is hidden, something still has to come. No, don't be in that in that energy, okay, because here it is, I can see clearly that you are getting commitment in your relationship. Hierophant is there, okay. Some of you are getting your marriage proposal. That can be a possibility. If you're not getting your marriage proposal, so something commission, not commission commitment is getting in, you are getting your commitment, basically, okay, in your relationship, which you are hoping for because you want to move in a forward direction, and now you are receiving it. You want your emotional fulfillment, and you are receiving it. And let's see, let's start these cards in a deeper level of meaning so that I can tell you more clearly, okay. Let's see what is the meaning of Nine of Swords. Explain me. Yeah, see, some of you are dealing with the toxicity. The devil has come. That's why you were, bottom of the deck, I'm having Strength. There were some toxicity, obsession, lots of devil energy were there in your life. That's why you were unable to sleep in the night. 0808 was the recording reading time. So there was something in the past which was not good at all for you, okay. There was something which was not good for you, that was toxic, that was not good at all. Because of that, you were unable to sleep, okay. Something has happened in your life in the past. That's why you are not able to sleep in the nights. But that energy was not good for you, I can say that. But now let's see what is the meaning of Sun. Explain me. Okay, please explain me the meaning of Sun. Clarify the meaning of Sun. Clarify the meaning of Sun. Clarify the meaning of Sun. Bottom of the deck, I'm having the Empress. Again, Empress. So this is you, Aquarius. Let's see. Five of Cups again has come for you, Aquarius. Can you see Five of Cups? Five of Cups. Okay. Why there is Five of Cups? Because there were some deceptive energy around you. Ten of Swords. Backstabbing, hurt. They have put you all swords in your back, okay. They have given you enough of pain, enough of hurts. They have already done all the bads in for you, Aquarius. Okay, so they have given you all the hurts, pains, lies, cheating, deception, all things they have done to you in the past. That's why you are more focusing on that energy. Okay, Five of Cups, sad, remorseful. Okay, you are more focusing on that, and that's why Two of Pentacles, because you were trying so hard to balance that situation. Two of Pentacles, you were trying, you were juggling a lot, you are trying to bring the balance in the situation, you are trying to bring the balance in a relationship, you are trying so hard, but they were dealing with lots of options. Seven of Cups, they were dealing with the lots of options. Okay, Seven of Cups, they were keeping their options open. Okay, now you are getting your Three of Cups, and Three of Cups is also an indication of third party situation, but now you are getting some celebration, Aquarius, because I'm going to take this in this reading here. You are taking the energy of Queen of Swords. You know the truth now. Okay, you know the truth. Okay, and you will cut immediately if someone is telling you any lies, basically, and you are coming towards a calmer water, Aquarius. Six of Swords energy, you are coming towards a calmer waters, and Three of Cups is there, so celebration is coming your way, because in the past you have dealt with someone who was very toxic, who was devil, basically, who hurt you, proper narcissist energy. Okay, so they were doing lots of things with you, but because of that, there is 10 of Wands and 10 of Swords, both are there. Let me switch off my AC. Okay, it's too cold here. Okay. Let me see. Let me see what is the meaning of Emperor. Okay, let me see what is the meaning of Emperor. Clarify. Bottom of the deck, I'm having Ace of Pentacles again, Hierophant and Hangman. Explain me the meaning of Emperor. Clarify the meaning of Emperor. Two of Swords again. Clarify the meaning of Emperor. The person is from your past. This Emperor is from your past. Six of Cups, and Six of Cups also belongs to soulmate card. So this is a soulmate card, and they are coming your way, Aquarius. Okay. Again, the Hierophant is there. They are giving you some commitment. Okay, but they are also feeling like an hangman. They are unable to. You are getting your offer for sure, Aquarius. Hierophant is there. They are giving you something related to marriage, or something which is equal to marriage. You are getting Hierophant here. They wants to get married to you. They wants to give you some stability in your life. Okay, but you are in a hangman situation. Okay, either you are feeling like a hangman, because there are Two of Swords again. Two of Swords and Two of Swords. You are unable to make a decision. Why you are unable to make a decision, Aquarius? That I will tell you out. You're feeling restricted, because again, Nine of Swords. Nine of Swords and Nine of Swords. You have spent lots of times, sleepless nights. You were not able to sleep in the past. Okay, you were unable to sleep in the past, but you are leaving that situation behind, Aquarius. Five of Pentacles. You are leaving that person or a situation or relationship behind. Some of you are still feeling stuck in a situation. Can you see? Can you see? This is the Eight of Swords energy. So some of you are feeling stuck. Some of you feeling stuck. You are leaving that person behind, Aquarius, because you have spent lot of sleepless nights in the past, and you are leaving that person, but still you are feeling like stuck. You're feeling restricted. You are unable to move in a forward direction, because but that the best part is, Aquarius, that you are taking the, and this is you, the star card is you, and this is you, Aquarius. You are hoping for new hopes, new desires, new beginnings. Okay, and you know that you are someone who is very stable, okay, in financial terms. Okay, so you are someone who is, you can give a solid committed offer to someone who is financially strong, and you're hoping for new hopes and desires, and you are getting it, Aquarius. You are getting it. You are getting it. Let me clarify. What is the meaning of 10 of cups? Ace of wands. It just fell out. It just fell out. Something passionate, new beginnings are coming towards you. And bottom of the deck, I am having, see, it just fell out. The person will be from your past. Okay, it just fell out. 6 of cups. And there is Knight of cups. Romantic new beginning. 6 of cups. Someone is giving you love now. Okay, the person will be from your past, and they are giving you passionate new beginnings. Okay, let me see what is the meaning of 7 of swords. Please clarify what is the meaning of 7 of swords. World card. Can you see 7 of wands? Defending yourself. You are completing a karmic cycle, Aquarius. Don't think that there is bad. Okay, yeah, see, you're taking the leap of faith. 7 of swords. Clarify the meaning of 7 of swords. Clarify. See, 3 of wands again, and the hermit. You're doing again, and the bottom of the deck. From this deck also I'm getting the hermit. You're doing some soul searching, working on yourself, healing yourself, looking answers from within yourself. No, Aquarius, this is not at all bad. Okay, there is no deception, lies, cheating going on, because you are completing a cycle. Can you see the world card? There is a fool and there is 3 of wands again. You're waiting your ships to come. There is 3 of wands, both are there. So there is nothing bad here. I can say you that, I can confirm you that there is nothing bad. You can take a leap of faith and move in the forward direction. Okay, because you are completing a cycle with someone. Some of you are, maybe in the past you were dealing with the karmic relationship, karmic soulmate, but with that you are completing a karmic cycle. The world card is there. Okay, so do not worry at all. Move in a forward direction. What is the meaning of Empress? Clarify the Empress. What else you want? Empress is clarified by Emperor. Okay, Emperor is clarified by Empress, and bottom of the deck I'm having 10 of wands. Again, 10 of wands. So you are carrying lots of burden, Aquarius. You are carrying lots of burden for sure. Release that burdens as soon as possible. Can you see? 10 of wands and 10 of wands. So you are carrying lots of burden. That's you. Okay, you are carrying lots of burden, and here it is, Emperor again. Let me see what is the meaning of Empress. Clarify. Okay. Clarify the meaning of Empress. Clarify the Empress. This is your wish fulfillment. 9 of cups is there. This is your wish fulfillment. You are getting your wish fulfillment. Again, someone is moving towards you. There is King of Cups who is very full of emotions. They value emotions basically. Okay, this Emperor, for this Emperor who is, for them, they value emotions. A person who is full of emotions. Emotions is the priority for them. Okay, but again there is 9 of wands. 9 of wands. You are protecting yourself again. You are being very defensive. You are guarding yourself from this Emperor. Okay, you're keeping your patience, but you are getting victory. Okay, can you see there is 6 of wands? So you are getting your victory. You are getting success. Okay, do not worry at all, Aquarius. Okay, do not worry. Move in the forward direction. What is Hierophant? Tower. What is the meaning of Hierophant? Clarify the Hierophant. Clarify the Hierophant. Clarify the Hierophant. Clarify the Hierophant. Some of you are not accepting the cup. The cup is from your wish fulfillment. 9 of cups. They're offering you something beautiful, Aquarius. The Tower has come. Okay, so some divine intervention is there something is shaking up your life. Okay, they are giving you 10 of pentacles, abundance of everything. Okay, they are giving you, they are trying to give you, but you are not accepting it. Can you see? Some of you Aquarius are not accepting is 4 of cups, but that's your wish fulfillment, Aquarius. That's what you want. Okay, 9 of cups, that's what you want, and you are getting it now. And because this is your divine intervention, something is shaking up your life when divine intervenes in your situation, the Tower card. And they are giving you 10 of pentacles, abundance of everything. 10 of pentacles, 10 of cups, both are here, but you are not ready to accept it. 4 of cups, you are saying no. Why are you saying no, Aquarius, when you are getting it? There is someone who is very passionate towards you. So they see you as, okay, there is someone who is very passionate, Aquarius. Okay, then there is Queen of Cups too. So there is a pair, King and Queen again. There is a pair here, Aquarius. They see you someone who is very passionate. Okay, they see you as very passionate. And there is Queen of Cups and King of Cups, both are there. And there is again Ace of Pentacles. They want to give you something solid, stable offer, but you are not ready to accept it. 4 of Cups, you are still thinking that there is some deception, manipulation, lies, cheating going on. You are waiting for that, but you do not have to wait for that, Aquarius, because you have to take the leap of faith. Some of you are already taking the leap of faith, and that's very good. Let me clarify what is the meaning of Ace of Cups. Please clarify what is Ace of Cups. Clarify Ace of Cups. Clarify Ace of Cups. Clarify what is Ace of Cups. What is the meaning of Ace of Cups? Clarify. Wow. Magician, bottom of the deck, I am getting the Magician. Again, Magician and Magician, Aquarius. You were manifesting this Ace of Cups, okay? And now when you are getting it, some of you are already single, abundant, happy, resting and rejuvenating yourself, okay? Healing yourself. Okay. There were some conflicts in the past. Maybe this is the person. For some of you, Aquarius, you are dealing with a new person, okay? And there, for some of you, you are getting your past person back in your life. But whatever person you are dealing with, they are your soulmate. Can you see? There were some conflicts around you in the past. Can you see? 5 of Swords. There were some conflicts in the past, but now you are getting something romantic in your life. Okay, 6 of Cups and Knight of Cups, and this is your divine counterpart. They are offering you this Sun, Knight of King of Swords, and here it is, King of Swords and Queen of Swords. Both are there. Where are Queen of Swords? 1 minute. See, I was taking the explanation of Sun. At that time I got this Queen of Swords, and here it is, I am getting it, Sun. So again, I can say confirmation from my side, Aquarius, that yes, you can move in a forward direction. Okay, Aquarius, you are getting Sun in your life. You are starting something new, beginnings, and they want to give you Sun, and here it is Sun. So yes, and you are dealing with your divine counterpart, King of Swords and Queen of Swords, both are there. Okay, they are, right now there is someone who from your past, but because 6 of Cups is from your past. Wow. Don't be in a energy that something is fishy, something deception will happen. How it is so good to be true. That's the message I am getting for you. You are thinking like that, how it is good, so good to be true. And when you think like that, you are creating that energy, Aquarius. You are creating that energy for yourself. You do not need to create that energy for yourself at all. Okay, because in this reading I am not finding anything which is not good for you. Okay, let me see what are the advice. Okay, what are the advice from, let's see what are the advices for you, my lovely Aquarius, from the universe. Give me the advice, give me the advice. Okay, what is the advice from the universe? What is the advice? What is the advice? What is the advice for my Aquarius from the divine, from the universe? Give me the advice. There is someone, Aquarius, who wants to give you Two of Cups. Again, a divine counterpart. Okay, but you are saying no, you're protecting yourself. Okay, they are rushing towards you, Knight of Swords, to give you equal amount of give and take. Six of Pentacles, Six of Pentacles. So they want to offer you, they want to give you equal amount of give and take. They are rushing towards you, but you are protecting yourself, you are being guarded yourself, you are being very defensive right now. You are protecting your aura and you are saying no, because that's what I'm getting for you from the universe also. Can you see? Four of Cups, Four of Cups, and here it is Seven of Wands. You are not ready to trust this person actually. Okay, because why you are not trusting this person? Because in the past there were some secrets hidden from you. The Moon card were there. So in the past there were some moon energy around you, but justice is being served in your case. They're coming with towards you with the apology, sorry. Okay, they are coming towards you and they are telling you, maybe they were spying on you, Page of Swords, they were spying on you, Aquarius, or you were spying on them online. And the Hermit card is there. You're looking your answers from within yourself. Okay, there were something secrets in the past. Maybe you are dealing with the same person who you were dealing in the past. Okay, but for some other Aquarius, there is two energies: the person you are dealing in the past, and there is one new energy coming your way who is giving you these beautiful energies. The Sun, who is your divine counterpart, and that person is also belongs from your past. You both know each other. There were some secrets in the past, but the justice has been served in your case. They're coming your way to give you sorry, apology. They were spying on you, okay, online, but now you are taking the energy of Hermit. They want to give you, they are rushing towards you, they want you in their life. Okay, Six of Pentacles, they want to offer you, give equal amount of give and take. Two of Cups, okay, they want to, how beautiful it is. Okay, but you, some of you Aquarius, are ready to be in this energy, single, happy, abundant. You do not want to accept any of these cards and any of these energy, any of these offers, and you're saying no to them. You're protecting yourself. You do not want to get hurt at all. That's what I was having for you, Aquarius, from the universe. Okay, so this is your extended love reading for November 2020. Let's summarize your reading and let's close it out, Aquarius. You are dealing with your divine counterpart, Aquarius, for sure, because here I am having lots of confirmation. There is King of Swords and Queen of Swords. Some of you are dealing with an air energy. Your divine counterpart can be an air energy, but I don't mention it any of the element because this can be any any element, I can say. Okay, the King of Swords and Queen of Swords are there. You're getting double confirmation from my both decks. The Sun, the new beginning is there definitely, and the new beginning is very happy beginning. Okay, so trust that person, trust that thing, and the person is coming from your past. Some of you were dealing, there were some conflicts in the past, either with this person or from the past person, but there were some conflicts in your life. Okay, Five of Swords energy. Okay, but now they're coming your way with lots of love. Can you see Knight of Cups and Six of Cups? The person is from your past. So here it is. There is lots of energy which I can say. Four of Cup and Five of Cup. You're not ready to accept, you're not ready to accept that cup, and you are more feeling very sad, remorseful, guilt on that fallen cup. So don't be in this energy at all. Okay, because you are getting success in achieving it. You are guarding yourself. Nine of Wands, Nine of Wands. You are protecting yourself. You do not want to get hurt, and you are protecting yourself. There is Ten of Swords and Ten of Wands. Both are there. Where is Ten of Wands? Okay, here it is. Ten of Swords and Ten of Wands. That person in the past, they have given you all the bad things, bad memories, all the, I can say, hurts, pain, heartbreak, trauma, all have given, they have given you all the, they have put all the back, swords in your bag basically. That's why you're carrying lots of burden on yourself. Don't carry that burdens on yourself and release them as soon as possible. There is a confirmation that you are dealing with your divine counterpart. There is an Emperor and Empress. Okay, double Emperor, Emperor and Empress. So yes, you are dealing with your divine counterpart. Okay, for sure there is a divine counterpart for you, Aquarius. They are offering you something, and that's your wish fulfillment, because you are manifesting that. Aquarius, Magician is there. So you were manifesting that. Ten of Pentacles and Ten of Cups, both are there. Okay, abundant of everything and happily ever after. You are getting your offer for sure. Ten of, again, Ace of Cups and Ace of Pentacles. Some stable, solid, committed offer is coming your way. And there is Ace of Wands. Again, passionate new beginning, something stable offer is coming your way, which you can touch, which you can say, yes, this is my commitment, and you are getting your emotional fulfillment for sure. Okay, you want to move in a forward direction. Okay, that's what you are manifesting it, and you are moving it. You are moving in a forward direction for sure, Aquarius. Okay, Chariot and the Magician is there, and some of you are getting your marriage proposal from this person. Okay, Hierophant is there. So you are getting your marriage proposal from this person because it's in two decks. So you're taking the leap. Some of you are taking this leap of faith and moving in the forward direction, and some of you are not accepting this cup at all, but you are coming towards the calmer water, Aquarius. They want to give you something which is an equal amount of give and take. Okay, and you were wishing for that too, and now you are getting it. You're still hoping your ships to come. You're still hoping that things will unfold in a way that you're still thinking that there is something which is not good for you. There can be something. Okay, because in the past you were getting something deceptive energy around you, but you are leaving that situation or person behind, but you're still feeling stuck in that energy. Okay, you're feeling restricted in that energy. But Aquarius, you are completing a cycle. Okay, there is a World card. You're completing that cycle. Don't be in that energy at all. You were unable to sleep, Aquarius. Nine of Swords, Nine of Swords. There were some devil energy in the past, which was very toxic, bad for you, but now it's not like that. Okay, you have to trust it. The whatever the new person is entering in your life, you have to trust them, because all are not same. Okay, trust the universe, trust the God, trust the divine, because that's your wish fulfillment. Nine of Cups, that's your wish fulfillment, and you are getting it. because there is a tower here, so divine is intervening in your situations. Okay, and you're coming towards a calmer waters for sure. Okay, star is there, the new hopes and desires. This is you. You are hoping for new hopes and desires, and you are getting it. Two of swords, unable to make a decision. Some of you are unable to make a decision. Okay, so make a decision, Aquarius. Do not be in this situation. Okay, so that was your extended love reading. I hope it resonates with you. I hope I help you out in some manner. Okay, Aquarius, trust the divine, trust the universe. If the new person is approaching you to give something, some committed offer, some commitment or marriage proposal, accept them. Don't bring your past burdens in this relationship. That's the message for you. Okay, till the time, take care of yourself, Aquarius. Sending lots of love and light to you. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel, and do let me know in the comment section if you want to tell me anything. Okay, till the time, take care of yourself, Aquarius. See you soon.